Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. We are doing your reading from 21st to 30th of June for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. It's better you see all your signs, either Sun, if you're Sun Taurus, Moon Taurus, Rising Taurus or Ascendant, or the Venus, okay? So it can be, if you're not able to resonate with your Sun sign, go with the Moon sign, go with your Rising or Venus. So it's up to you. If you want to deal with the love situation, so you can see your Venus sign, because Venus means love relationships. Okay, so these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now. Okay. I'll be looking at your past energies, present energies, and as well as future, immediate future energies. So your past, your overall energy is telling us the Six of Rods. It means some kind of celebration or victory. You are standing out of the crowd and everyone cheering for you. That kind of energy which you want, or it might be happening. But there is something, in your past I see the Strength card, Ace of Swords and Four of Rods. There might be some kind of family issues you were dealing with, and some things got cleared in front of you. But you were very strong. I see there was something which happened in your family, in some kind of relationship, or you can also see it like there was something was there, but everything was cleared in your past. In your present, the cards are Six of Cups, Two of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. You are feeling confused, but basically I see over here that you were clear in your past energies, but now you are confused. I don't know why, but because you are still thinking about that past, that did I take the decision right? Yeah, it is that kind of energy basically. Now you are thinking whether I took the decision, because Two of Swords, it is always a confusion. It is like indecisiveness. You are not able to decide, and you decided, but in your past, now you are thinking that did I take the right decision? Should I said, if you said yes to that decision, should I have said no for that? Or if you said no, I think I should have said yes for that. So this is that kind of energy I see. In the future energies, it's the cards are King of Cups, Nine of Pentacles and the Death card. So I see you working for your own transformation. I see you like, okay fine, whatever the decision I have taken, then screw it, and let's just go with the flow. Let's just take care of myself first. Let's take care of this situation which I'm dealing with now. Whatever has been done, it's been done. You cannot go back and change the decision, and that is really good that you know that if you haven't known now, but in future I see that you are more getting involved into whatever decision you took, and you will be working on that thing, and there will be some kind of transformation. I see there's some kind of things which will end, and there will be new beginnings. If you are working with some company, if you are working in a situation, in a relationship, anything, you will be like, okay, let's work for me now, let's just go with this. I shouldn't go back. I cannot just change my decision now. I have to work with this. And I see you pretty good in that with this Nine of Pentacles. See how beautifully she is wearing her makeup, she is wearing her jewelry. It's like the self-care kind of a thing. And you will be working on whatever you are working now. So you have taken the decision, let's do it. And that is why you want victory in that thing, because your overall energy is Six of Rods. But the bad thing about Six of Rods is there's only one single thin line which divides this happiness, this victory, from happiness to ego. So you don't have to go in that ego side, okay? Just stay there. If you're happy about this victory, if the success will come to you, obviously, but do not take it in some other way, okay? Do not make it your ego. So let's clarify. Let's clarify Six of Rods. I see you working very hard, and the cards are the High Priestess, the Moon, and Eight of Pentacles. I see you working day and night for whatever you are working for, and that is why you want victory. But my dear friend, victory doesn't come in a day or two. Rome was not built in a day, you know that. But it will take time. I know you are working a lot in whatever you are working, you are going through. If this is a relation, you are working for that relationship. You are giving your 100%. If it is a job, you are giving your 100%. It's like you are giving your 100%, but the results, they are not coming up. Why? Why it is happening with you? So just wait. Just take a deep breath for that, because the things which you are seeing, they are just because it's the night time, my dear. I think that it can be a reading for Moon Taurus as well, or a Sun Taurus also, because with the Strength card, it means Leo, Leo means Sun means Sun Taurus. Okay, so the Moon, it is telling me that it's the night time. It will be over, and the Sun will again rise again after tomorrow. It will rise again, so you don't have to be disappointed. And if your intuition is telling you that you should stay here only, you should not move. If your relationship is creating some problems, if you are not able to do anything, if your work is creating problems and you are not able to do anything, you know that it is making problems. But just moving forward and changing some other job or changing your partner is not a solution. You have to wait for it. Okay. Let's clarify the Strength card. Oh, for the Strength card, the clarifications are Strength, Page of Swords, and King of Swords. So you want it pretty fast. Yeah. It's always like, I want it now to happen. Why it's not happening? Why? I know I'm clear from my mind. I know it will happen. So why not now? It should happen now. Right? competition is there. Don't you think that, see, with the king of swords and the page of swords, it's like this page is ready to fight with the king. Oh come on, like, you're the you're the page. How can you fight with the king? He is more stable, he is balanced, the king of swords. So just be, you should just think, because a lot of competition is also there. You are here, you are the king of swords, you know what you are doing, but the competition is not letting you do. There might be some people around you who might be gossiping. Oh, look at this person, he is this. Because I see that that you are a little your age wise you are a little older, and you might be single as well. For some people, not for everyone. For those who are dealing with this situation, there might be some people who might be gossiping about you and telling you, oh, he is not married yet, he is 35, he is 33, and still he is just struggling in his life. So why is it happening? There might be some kind of gossiping about that, but you don't have to worry, because you are clear from your mind. You know what to do. I will be finding my family. So what, I'm 35, so what, I'm 33, at 40 I'll start my family. So you are clear about that. So that's not an issue for you, but for people that is an issue. So just screw them. Okay, so let's clarify. Six of Cups. Okay, so the thing which you have started, because the cards are Page of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the Chariot. Whatever you started, I also see that you have started something which you have been liking from a long time. I think for some people, this is you started something like some kind of hobby which you have liked during your childhood, and this is something like playing a guitar, being a musician, or being a singer, being something which you like, doing something which you like, doing tarot reading as well. This is anything, it can be anything. You can be doing some work in palmistry, astrology, anything you might be doing, something new you are doing. I see that, because with the Page of Wands, you are very enthusiastic, you are very energetic right now, and you have a lot of love for what you are doing, and you are ready. With the Chariot, you are ready to move on with that work. So what's the big deal then? Are these people a big deal in front of you? What is the issue then? If you are doing this work, age is not a matter. You are clear from your mind, everything is cleared, but still it means like the time when you started about this thing, that I'm clear, I will start the family at 40. So now what is the confusion? Was that a problem? Oh, I thought that I should start a family at 40, but was I right? I don't think I was right. I should start it now. So don't go back to that decision, I would prefer, because the decision has been made. Now no more going back. Let's clarify the Two of Swords. I see that for some, your father might be a hindrance in front of you. It's like, oh my god, I am getting old. The cards are the Emperor, Five of Rods, and Queen of Pentacles. It's like there's someone in your family might be like who is a very father-like figure in front of you, who is making chaos. Not for everyone, for someone. There are some kind of conflicts which are going on because of the decision you took in your past, and that is now creating a problem now, because you were ready to move on and now you are yourself confused. Okay. And I you um, I don't know, there's some kind of energy which is coming. It's like your father or anyone, a fatherly figure is telling you, what did you do? If you are so old now, you should get married or something, you should start a family, and now you're still struggling. Are you waiting for me to give you money? Are you waiting for that charity or something? Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles clarified by Six of Pentacles. I feel that this is something. Okay, let me explain. The cards are Ten of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Seven of Rods. So there were some money issues. Might be you took a loan, or you asked for some money from your family, and they gave you the money, or there are questions in front of you that why do you need the money now? You should have your money, and like you are taking your stand. I am doing my work, but it will take some time. I have started this new project, and how come you are feeling like I will get the victory all of a sudden? Please, at least be cooperative. So you are like that. Please listen to me, and please be cooperative with me. Okay, so might be some family issues with you. Let's clarify King of Cups. Okay. I see there is some kind of ending. The cards are Ten of Swords, Three of Swords, and the World. There's some, if you are dealing with some love relationship, there is the ending. I see the breakup. But there's new beginning for that, because the World card is here. And after the breakup, after this ending, if the World card comes, it means that yeah, that thing is ending, because God is saying, the God is telling you, because dear, I have just ended this cycle of yours. This cycle is finished. This cycle is over, because after this a new journey is going to start. So whatever you are thinking, or whatever decision you have taken in your past, or if you are confused, so these things, they happen for a reason. If you took this decision, it happened for a reason, because God is with you, and He's telling you that I made all these things happen, because I want you to start a new cycle. There's something new which is coming in front, and because the Death card also, there's something is going to end. Whatever this is, some kind of situation, some relation, something is happening in future, I see, and it will end, but for some new things to start. Okay, so I don't need to clarify more cards. I guess the message is clear over here. Let's just take some cards from the universe. Let's see what the universe wants to tell you. Okay, so the universe is telling you, the cards are Seven of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and the Justice. Universe is telling you that be patient. The things, if you are feeling alone, you are feeling left out, I know, but just be patient. For whatever this is happening, it's happening for a reason. You are not able to balance your life, wait, it will be balanced, because after this thing, if it is already happening, if you feel like something is ending, or it might be because this is an immediate future which I saw, and it can be happen, it will be happening very soon with you. So something is going to happen, something is going to end, you are feeling left out, you are feeling that you are moving nowhere, and you are giving your 100%. Just be patient. God is telling you, the universe is telling you, just be patient. If you are feeling left out, don't be, because it's just the time, and you will be balanced. Everything, whatever your mind is not balanced, it will be balanced. There's some balances because of some karmic imbalances. This whole process you are going through is because of some past life imbalances, and it has to be balanced in this life, of course. So that is why it's happening. It's because of some kind of karmic relationship or something which happened in your past life. So that's all from my side, Taurus. I really hope you liked my reading. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.